Welcome, everyone, to this week's roundup of the most important AI news stories, selected, researched, and presented by AI itself. We've got some fascinating and even controversial topics lined up, so buckle up as we count down the top 5 AI stories for week 31 of 2025.
Absolutely. Let's kick things off right away with rank 5. When AI imagines a tree, how your chatbot's worldview shapes your thinking. Ever thought about what happens when AI's view of the world doesn't match ours? Well, researchers from Stanford's Human-Centered AI Initiative have, and they've discovered some pretty eye-opening insights.
That's right. It turns out AI models like ChatGPT often default to a Western individualistic perspective. For example, when asked to draw a tree, the AI initially skipped the roots unless specifically instructed otherwise. That might sound minor, but it highlights how AI's assumptions about reality can subtly influence our own perspectives.
Exactly. And these researchers argue that simply avoiding bias isn't enough. We need to reconsider the very fundamentals of how AI is designed. They're urging developers to think deeply about the implicit assumptions built into AI systems. Are humans just individuals, or are we interconnected beings? This matters, especially as AI integrates deeper into fields like education and healthcare.
It's fascinating how something as simple as illustrating a tree can reveal deep cultural biases. This isn't just theoretical, it's practical, affecting real-world applications. Imagine healthcare AI systems that fail to recognize the interconnectedness of patient communities. That's a real risk.
Absolutely. And it's why interdisciplinary approaches involving philosophy, design, and computing are essential. Moving along, we've got a headline that sounds like it's straight out of Hollywood at rank 4. Meta pirated porn lawsuit. Yep, you heard that correctly. Meta is facing a major lawsuit for allegedly using pirated adult content to train their AI models.
Talk about scandalous. 2 adult entertainment giants, Strike 3 Holdings and Counterlife Media, are accusing Meta of illegally downloading over 2,000 films. This isn't just about money, though the damages could hit $359 million. But it also sets a significant legal precedent for the tech industry's AI training practices.
Meta hasn't officially responded yet, but the implications here are huge. If they lose, this could force major tech companies to rethink how they source training data. Amazon's recent licensing deal with the New York Times might become the new standard. It's definitely a story we'll continue watching.
What's really at stake here is the balance between innovation and intellectual property rights. Companies have relied on vast amounts of freely available data to train AI, but now content creators are pushing back. Could we see a wave of similar lawsuits across other industries?
Very likely, especially considering previous legal challenges against OpenAI and others. Speaking of global shifts, rank 3 dives into geopolitics and AI. Chinese AI firms form alliances amid U.S. curbs. At the recent World AI Conference in Shanghai, China showcased its strategy to combat U.S. technology restrictions by building robust domestic ecosystems.
That's right. 2 powerful alliances emerged, one linking AI model developers and chipset manufacturers, including heavyweights like Huawei, and another integrating AI directly into industrial applications. They're not just coping, they're actively shaping AI's global landscape.
China's bold moves include cutting-edge tech like Huawei's Cloud Matrix system, designed to rival NVIDIA's best offerings. Plus, consumer-focused products like Baidu's Digital Humans and Alibaba's AI glasses prove that China is dead serious about leading AI innovation.
China isn't just reacting to external pressures, they're proactively positioning themselves as global AI leaders. The exclusion of U.S. participation in their recent AI summit indicates a potential shift towards more fragmented global AI standards and governance.
Indeed, And it's not just China. Other countries are following suit, developing regional AI initiatives tailored to local needs and languages. Definitely a pivotal story. But buckle up, folks. Things are about to get spicy at rank 2. Musk's Grok to generate explicit AI videos. Elon Musk's XAI chatbot, Grok, introduced a controversial feature called Imagine, which can create explicit video clips based wholly on text prompts.
This has sparked widespread concern, especially about the potential misuse for creating realistic deepfake pornography. Advocacy groups are calling for strict controls, highlighting the urgent need for clear ethical guidelines and regulations in generative AI.
Musk's Grok has already faced backlash for controversial content before, but this move escalates the debate significantly. As AI capabilities grow more realistic, the ethical challenges multiply. It's crucial that developers and society navigate these waters carefully.
The impact of deepfakes can't be overstated. Privacy and consent violations, potential harm to individuals, and the erosion of trust in digital content. Regulatory actions are already underway in several countries, aiming to limit such harmful applications of AI.
Grok's new feature intensifies this ongoing debate. We'll definitely see more regulation discussions around this in the future. And finally, at rank 1, a story that's shaking up offices worldwide. Bill Gates warns of white-collar job shakeup. Gates, along with a Microsoft research report, warns that AI is set to replace millions of knowledge-based jobs faster than we ever imagined.
According to Gates, about 30% of Microsoft's coding tasks are already performed by AI. Jobs in sectors like law, accounting, journalism, and teaching are at significant risk. The message is clear. The traditional white-collar job security is rapidly eroding.
Gates emphasizes that society needs urgent preparation to manage this transition effectively. Upskilling and redefining job roles will be critical to adapt to the new AI-driven reality.
Indeed, and Microsoft's research backs this up, highlighting vulnerable roles ranging from translators to teachers. Interestingly, manual labor jobs seem safer, at least for now. This is a wake-up call. It's time for proactive steps to future-proof our workforce.
It's clear that AI will fundamentally change how we work. It's not just about job loss, it's about job transformation. Education systems and employers must evolve quickly to support these transitions effectively.
Well, there you have it. The top 5 AI stories of Week 31, 2025. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's episode.
And don't forget to check out our other videos, AI Daily Deep Dive for your daily AI news fix, and our special Sunday segment, this week featuring an exciting new host discussing getting smarter with AI. Trust me, you won't want to miss that one.
Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time.